guys, welcome to my channel. So as you can see, I'm already at the airport. This is another day and we are traveling from Dubai to the next destination, another country. So stay tuned and yeah, keep guessing which country it could be. So stay tuned. So guys, I'm already feeling so happy because this country is one of my favorite country to visit all time, like anytime. If I want to relax myself, I choose this country. So yeah, just few hours more and I'll be there. Yes. And yes, we came via a metro. We were in a hurry, so we didn't shoot. And it was very easy peasy. It's like a straight line, like Terminal 1. This is Terminal 1, and yeah, now it's sweet for me. And yeah, it's like a direct line. And as I have shown you that our hotel is near to the metro station, Dubai Mall metro station. So we went there, and then from there there's a direct line for Terminal 1, even for Terminal 2, 3. It's one, right? Terminal 1. For another terminal as well. So yeah, it's easy peasy. So we already checked in and we have done with all the immigration and everything. So it's boarding. Finally boarding. अभी आज का दिन हमारा बहुत हेक्टिक होने वाला है क्योंकि वैसे भी टेक्निकल हम सुबह 3 बजे पहुंचने वाले हैं. Let's go. Guys, bye-bye Dubai. Goodbye. Bye Dubai. Goodbye. Guys, transfer done. Tick. Now we have security check done. Tick. And now we are all set to board another flight for another country. And for the hint, as a hint you can take it like we are here in Delhi. So we came from Dubai, we have layover at Delhi, and then we are going to another country. So start guessing, comment fast. Finally the last flight. Guys, we reached another country but not new country for us. So please guess. अभी भी time है सही guess करने का. Just comment below. इतना बड़ा hint, it's not a new country for us.
Yes. We are done with the visa
immigration, and if you want to know, just stay golden. We'll tell you in a while. Come. Let's go. Finally we are here at 7-Eleven. I'm getting my kimbap, tango kimbap.
So guys,
Onigiri.
reveal.
5 o'clock in the morning in Thailand, in Bangkok, and I'm having this glutathione. आ गो टू होटल और क्योंकि इसका लोकेशन बहुत अच्छा है. अगर आपने मेरा थाईलैंड सीरीज़ नहीं देखा है तो प्लीज़ गो वॉच, क्योंकि उसमें हमारा दूसरा रूम है जिसमें आपको किचन भी प्रॉपर मिल जाता है. दिस टाइम हमने डिफरेंट रूम लिया है. तो आपको घुसते ही यहाँ पे दिस इज़ द मिरर, दिस इज़ द वार्डरोब, बेड एरिया, दिस इज़ कॉफ़ी टी स्टेशन, फ्रिज, मिनी फ्रिज, storage, and TV. Then we have 2 small windows where you can see the road, I think the back side of it. This is not the front, this is the back side road. So yeah, and this is the washroom inside. That's all. हम सो गए थे थोड़ी देर के लिए क्योंकि इन्हें हमने अर्ली चेक इन किया और उसके लिए हमको एक्स्ट्रा देने पड़े
We paid 200 baht for the early
एक्चुअली
check-in.
इनका टाइमिंग है 3 बजे का और हम आए थे यहाँ पे आई थिंक 10 बजे ना,
9
10-11 बजे, 9 बजे
9 बजे आ गए थे.
तो हमने अर्ली चेक इन किया तो उसके हमको 200 बात देने पड़े और उसके बाद हम आराम से सोकर रिलैक्स हो गए क्योंकि हम जैसे कि आपने देखा जर्नी बहुत लंबी और टायरिंग थी हमारे लिए. तो उसके बाद अब हम उठ गए हैं, हम रेडी हो गए हैं फॉर द बैंकॉक. ओह हो लुक एट आवर वाइबिंग एनर्जी. और हाँ, आई लव बैंकॉक, आई लव थाईलैंड.
Yay. So now we
Because
are
आप कुछ भी
going.
पहनो कुछ भी करो, nothing is over, nothing is under, it's just perfect freedom.
Yes. We love.
That's why my makeup is so sparkly today. Look, if you can see. Okay, let's go. So guys, finally we are out for eating because my sister is hungry.
Yes, I'm very hungry.
I'm not that hungry though, but still I'll give you a company. Be thankful. Us here at Cafe Bani. Or you can see this teddy bear everywhere. Green curry chicken and coconut ice latte. So guys, now first thing we tried at your airport and I'm recording. I'm so sorry.
We were so hungry.
We were so hungry and we didn't record at all. So मैंने खाया था वहाँ पे kimbap, chicken kimbap and वो bao buns and what was that? And yeah, matcha Kit Kat, and I love matcha Kit Kat. I tried normal Kit Kat that available in our country, and then I tried white Kit Kat, white chocolate Kit Kat, and then I tried matcha Kit Kat, and I love matcha one. So you must try it if you get matcha one and if you like matcha. This is our first order for my sister. This is Thai milk tea. She loves.
Thai milk tea. Come to my cafe. I also make Thai milk tea.
Yeah, it's also available at our cafe.
Yes.
But अभी हम टूरिस्ट है तो हम पिएगा. Got my coconut latte, iced coconut latte. My drink is not. क्या बोलूं? It's too sweet for me. I think it's too sweet for everyone. It's just too sweet, so I can't drink it. So guys, this is my green Thai curry. It is very different from the one I tried before. It's very spicy compared to it and less coconut flavor. And I like the other way around, like less spicy, more coconut flavor. So this is my sister's food. This is set. This is non-veg. This is sticky rice. This is salad. And she's going to eat because Aaron ate this meat.
But you can try this. And then you can try this.
Chili.
Eat this with this. I eat this with this because it has rice noodles.
This was so fishy, so we left it. This is the curry. You know, I just took मैंने सिर्फ चिकन खा लिया. This is my drink is too sweet, so I cannot drink it. चलो थाई मिल्क टी तो खत्म हुआ. This is the place primarily. This is the place जहाँ पे बहुत ही yummy yuzu drink मिला था मुझे last time. So I'm gonna try this again. Let's see consistency. So guys, we are roaming around at Platinum Mall. Let's see अगर हमें कुछ मिलता है कि नहीं. कल के लिए हमको कुछ एक आउटफिट चाहिए स्पेशली.
हाँ.
बाकी तो हम धीरे धीरे और शॉपिंग कर लेंगे.
ना अगर आपको पता हो तो this was our ऐसा वाला प्लान ना. हमारा प्लान नहीं था तो our clothes are as per
हम
Dubai.
सिर्फ अबू धाबी एंड दुबई के लिए पैकिंग करके आए थे.
हाँ.
So अब हमारे पास नहीं है कपड़े. So we have to shop. Let's see. Got our first purchase. We got this shirt with this pant, but in different color, like in off-white color. Only 200 baht. So guys, we shopped a lot. Not that much, but we'll show you once we reach our room what we bought. Actually, this is not our first time. That's why we are not overwhelmed with things.
Yes.
So there is nothing like impulsive shopping because we are now used to of it, right?
Yes.
So, but still we'll show you what we bought, and the shopping is still on hold. We're going to drink something, then we'll again continue. Here at Mindy Mills, and their yuzu drink is to die for. First time. This is my second time trying it. I hope it stays the same. Happy in Thailand. Guys, this is the yuzu soda, and this is not the one I'm talking about. I forgot the name of that particular drink. It was yuzu, but it was not like this. It was like a smoothie, like this. But right now they don't have it. Mango sticky rice. When you're in Thailand, you can't miss this thing for sure.
Yeah, so we just bought it from outside the Platinum Mall, 100 baht, guys.
गाइस हम आए मैंगो स्टिकी राइस खाए कपड़ा चेंज किए फ्रेशन अप हुए थोड़ा सा और अब हम फिर जा रहे हैं ऑलरेडी 9 रात के 9 बज रहे हैं दिस इज माय OOTD for now चोरी इन माय जूता अच्छा ऐसे भी दिखा सकती हूँ ये तो सब कुछ बंद हो गया कपड़ों की दुकान खाने पीने की दुकान तो ऑन है या लेट गाइस सब बंद क्लोथिंग स्टोर एवरीथिंग बस खाने की दुकानें तो खुली है स्ट्रीट फूड खुला है और हम लोग 7-Eleven जाएंगे
हाँ हाँ हाँ
7-Eleven जाने को So guys, we are planning for a head massage. Let's see. We are at 7-Eleven as usual, and I got this lip balm, tinted one. I don't know how it's gonna be. Let's see.
This is our dinner time. This is one of our favorite, जो हमें अच्छा लगता है.
Seaweed
Seaweed.
cracker snack. ये बहुत crunchy होता है.
देखो मेरे को गोल्डन कोको कोला मैंने आज ले लिया.
Coca-Cola. क्या है ये? सिर्फ रैपर ऐसा है या पता
फ्लेवर
नहीं?
लिखा है. I don't know what flavor. We also got this. मैं तो
It's
इतना
a
खुशी लेके आया था.
vitamin
but
C.
हम लोग ग्लूटाथियोन पीता है बोल के. ले लिया बोल के लेके आया but it's okay. Then we also got this perfume, one of our favorite.
It's very nice.
Very nice smell, easy to carry. ये लिप बाम ट्राई करने के लिए लेके आए. अब ये तीसरा ब्रांड है जो हम ट्राई कर रहे हैं. We already tried 2.
और फर्स्ट वाला मुझे इतना पसंद है कि उसके लिए मैं स्पेशली उसके लिए कराबी जाऊंगा वो मुझे कराबी में मिला था
Guys, soft boiled egg. और we have got this salted egg flavor
Lay's. I mean, seriously, it sounds very strange. Let's see how it's going to be.
This is the first time we're gonna try this one.
Yes.
I also got this because I kind of like the color last time. This is the thing. Then it's time to dinner. We got this sticky rice and non-veg. We got this fried rice. We got this. What is this?
This is Ovaltine Danish.
Oh.
This
मेरे
is
को तो
dessert.
पता है.
This is Ovaltine Danish, guys. Yum yum.
This is one of our favorite
Yeah,
sausages.
this is really nice. Chicken sausage, chili.
This is also very yummy.
This is seaweed roll, chicken seaweed roll. खाते हो जाएंगे ना. Guys, stay tuned. कल का हमारा बहुत amazing vlog होने वाला है. कल हम जा रहे हैं theme park.
And this is also black rice
And chicken breast.
and chicken breast and
Salad.
broccoli salad. Now this is all food we have.
And
got,
this is
also the
our
water
dinner. That's what we're out there. Now we're gonna eat and see you then. So guys, that's all for today's vlog.
bottle. Thank you for watching.
So I hope you liked our vlog. If you like it, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and we'll see you in our next vlog. Good night.